Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to see how we can use pen tool to remove backgrounds of photos and to make precise selection. Now, this kind of selection works best for removing backgrounds of product images in case you want to upload it on e-commerce websites. Results of this method are really precise, high quality and clean. Pen tool is quite tricky when you are using it for the first time, but a little practice can make you expert. I am using this image here. You can also download this image by clicking on the link in the description. Now just click and the straight line will be automatically drawn. And for a curve, just click and drag. After making a curve, you will see these extra lines. These are called handles. These handles decide the depth of the curve. And if you don't want a curve, like here I want a straight line, press Alt from your keyboard until you see this angle with your cursor, and after that, click on the square point. Now, as you can see, the unnecessary handles are deleted. Now press space key. What it will do is it will temporarily activate the hand tool. Click and drag to navigate through the image. So instead of deleting, you can also relocate these handles by pressing Ctrl key from your keyboard like this. When you reach the starting point, click on your starting point and the path will be completed. After that, go to Path, right click, select Make Selection. Keep feather at 1, press OK. This will just make a selection out of your path. Go to Layers again. Make sure you have selected your image layer and click on the clipping mask. Select your mask and press Ctrl I to invert the selection. As you can see here, we have our subject completely cut out. Now make a new layer, keep it behind the main layer. Now you can select solid color adjustment layer and color the background as you want. Also you can change this color at any time through the process. And here you can see the quality of this cutout by zooming in. Now when you are done and finalize your background color, click on the first layer and select Merge Visible. Now these layers are merged. If you want it as a transparent background, instead of color layer, just make an empty layer. As you can see, I can drag it to any document and also transform it by pressing Ctrl T. Save this as a PNG image so you can use this in your other documents. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.